Good morning, children. This is a class for LKG English book beginning activity. Topic as sound words, page number 9. Today I am going to teach you some 3 letters as sound words. Some as sound words. Now, at, What is this? What picture is this? Mat. 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 What is this? Yes, hat. 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 What is this? Yes, cat. 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 Bat. 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 What is this? Rat. Yes. Rat. 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 A fat man. Fat. 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 Now you have to practice like this. Okay? You have to practice pronounce the words like this. Okay? So that's all for today. Next day we will continue. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.